Hey guys, I'm Sam and I lost a bunch of weight eating one keto meal a day for 28 days. In this series, you'll see my weight loss progress day by day, as well as each delicious recipe I made along the way. Hey guys, it's day 4 and today we're making keto karaage chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is crack this chicken's egg into a bowl and then whisk it all up with a fork. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of minced garlic, followed by a tablespoon of Kewpie mayonnaise. Next comes a tablespoon of soy sauce and finally a teaspoon of ginger powder. And we're just going to thoroughly mix that in, which as you can see may take a bit of effort, so it may take the rest of your life, but finally when you're dead and it's all mixed in, add in 360 grams of chicken thigh pieces. And we're just going to mix them around to make sure that they're all nice and evenly coated. Happy with that, so just going to get some cling wrap now and cover this up, making sure to push out as much air as possible, and then this is going in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. While that's happening, going to get about 35 grams of lettuce mix, which I couldn't get today actually, so using baby spinach, but that's all good, along with 75 grams of cucumber, which I'm slicing up into slices. So anyway, I'm going to put that aside with the lettuce mix, and then we get this avocado and cut it in half. So half of this avocado is going back in the fridge for another recipe later in the week. And then with this half, I'm just going to use a knife to cut some slices into it, and then use a spoon to scoop those slices out onto the plate next to the rest of this side salad. There we go, and then we'll put that aside for now and deal with this chicken. So we'll just get rid of this cling wrap, and then we're going to get a cup of almond meal and get that into another bowl. We'll take each piece of the chicken, lightly dust them in the almond meal, and then set them aside on the plate. Once each piece of chicken's been nice and evenly coated, then we'll take these bad boys and stick them in the deep fryer. So we've got our rice bran oil up to 180 degrees Celsius, and the trick with these is to try and lower the chicken pieces down into the oil nice and gently. The reason for that is if you put the chicken pieces directly in the basket and then drop them in the oil, what generally seems to happen is the batter has a tendency to stick to the basket, and then it all rips off and ruins everything, so highly recommend doing it this way. So anyway, we're just going to cook these now for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're nice and golden brown, and then we're just going to give them a shake and let them hang out here for a couple of minutes just to drain off any excess oil. And then from this point there's not really that much left to do, so we'll get our side salad and we'll add our delicious chicken, and we'll dress this side salad with about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then all that's left to do really is just make a little dipping sauce with 1 1/4 tablespoon of Kewpie mayonnaise with a tablespoon of Frank's hot sauce, and there we have it. Some delicious keto karaage chicken. So again, this is about 1800 calories, or about 60% of my estimated intake at this point, and look at that. Delicious. So it doesn't have exactly the same flavor as like normal karaage chicken, you know, with the panko breadcrumbs, but even with the almond meal, it sort of has this like unique flavor of its own, and it really comes up well when it's deep fried. Look at that, nice and crispy, nice color, and yeah, a lot of flavor as well. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here before somebody sees the mess I made, so I'll catch you later. So day 1 I weighed in at 96.5 kilos, and today we're at day 4 and weighing in at 94.9, so doing alright so far. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're keen to see how much weight I lose after the 28 days, then hit that subscribe button so you can catch each episode, including the next one where we're going to continue this deep fried chickeny goodness. Hopefully I'll see you then.